the elephant bar has elephants, and that's what I remember from years ago. I visited Koh Samui in 1996, and sometimes you'd see guys walk up and down the beach with an elephant, and you could ride it. You just pay a little bit of money, but it was like much more of a backpacker destination. So I had a little hut on the beach, and it was like $1.50. So whatever they were charging for the elephant ride sounded like too much to me. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, today it's about noon in Koh Samui. There's some resorts right here, and what we're gonna do is just walk all the way down. We're gonna walk about 6 or 7 minutes in this direction. Maybe to see what we can see. You can see that way there's a bunch of condos, I think, up in the hills overlooking the beach, overlooking this part of the island. So yeah, it was hard to get here. Because all the resorts bought up all the property, and if you watched my other Koh Samui videos, I might have mentioned it, but I'll mention it again because each video is a little bit self-contained. A different viewer might come and watch it. But I came here years ago, and I stayed in Koh Samui on a beach in a bungalow, and I paid about $1.50 a night, and those days are gone. Like now it's quite overpriced and completely different experience to be here now. For one, there's planes that go above. That's new. That wasn't like that years ago. Now there's an airport here. I was here 23 years ago, so dang, it's crazy how. So okay. So yeah, we're gonna keep on walking, and yeah, years ago there would have been. I remember an elephant that was somebody was leading an elephant down this sand, and all the tourists were kind of just like backpackers, you know, $2 a night, $3 a night, $5 a night if it was a little bit better. But usually everybody was just in these little bungalows that were pretty mosquito infested, and they would have been right on this beach right here, like somewhere on here. I think so. I don't remember which beach it was, but I remember going to the heart of everything, and this is the heart of everything. So. It's possible that it wasn't, but yeah, now it's all completely different. It's beautiful though. The planes are coming in, so the airport's right over there. Actually, I was kind of excited. You hear that there's an airport so close that you just jump out of the plane and come into the city or beach or whatever. But it's not as good as you think. Having planes going overhead is different. It's interesting though. Okay. Prices. Okay, so they have happy hour beers for 100 baht, they said, which is 100 baht is about $3. So happy hour beer for $3. Yeah, prices are going up in Thailand. I was reading something else where they were talking about that, and 100 baht sounds like a bargain, but then, you know, it's like think about what time it is too. Goodness. This is a pretty cool spot because you have this nice natural shade. Let's just take a look into this a little bit. Oh, this is really nice. And down there we're doing iguana stuff. Well, from here, it's like a nice bar. Nice space. Yeah, I like these kind of trees. So the way they made these trees is not forced them, but grew them out this way. That's really nice. And kind of birdhouses, which act like lanterns. Let's see, this is called the Chuen Garden Resort. It's actually one of the nicest ones I've seen. Chuen Garden Resort. That's really nice. I think if I was to stay somewhere, maybe I'd want to stay somewhere like that. Just get one of those things right underneath the trees, have some shade, watch people come and go. Just for some references, there's another, hello. Just for references, it's, today's a Wednesday, December 19, I believe. It's about noon, and it was raining earlier today, so. It's a nice resort right here overlooking the water. Oh, the Arc Bar. Okay. This is where I came in yesterday. So actually I walked way down there and came around the Arc Bar right here, which is kind of like a party place, and you can actually walk through this place. The other places wouldn't let me to go walk through. So we'll stop right there. So okay, this one's called the Arc Bar Beach Resort, and this was a place that let me go through originally when I first came in. And so I had another video where I walked all the way from there to here, and this particular one we're gonna walk from Arc Bar down. So we'll see how far we can go. And I walked it last night, and it was pretty cool. And unfortunately I had a bad battery and I only had one battery with me. So today I'm stocked up, I got 4 batteries. So I don't want to have any issues like that again. Because yesterday was like, it was really nice setting, sunset. Elephant Bar. So the Elephant Bar has elephants. And that's what I remember from years ago. I visited Samui in 1996, and sometimes you'd see guys walk up and down the beach with an elephant, and you could ride it. You just pay a little bit of money, but it was like much more of a backpacker destination. So I had a little hut on the beach, and it was like $1.50. So whatever they were charging for the elephant ride sounded like too much to me. Here's a photogenic picture right here. Cool. Catch it from that side too.